Hello guys, welcome to my RBI vlog. Take a garden sprayer which is easily available in market. Take a sharp nail and make a hole from upside by measuring 3 centimeters. Take a 5 ml injection and dishwashing scrub and cut it into a small cube. And insert the dishwashing scrub into the injection. And add 2 mugs of water into the bottle. Take a foam wash shampoo of auto spray or 3M. And add the foam wash shampoo in it. Now give at least 20 to 30 strokes to the garden sprayer. And clean your bike with water. And shake the garden sprayer before you doing some work.
I wonder what went wrong today. Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say?